Hi everyone, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's cooking. We're going to be doing something very special to me today. I have a brother that's in the VA hospital. He did 2 tours of duty in Vietnam, and like so many of our other veterans, he's in the VA hospital now. He's been there about a year and a half. He's adjusted to it so good. They're so good to him there. He's one of the lucky hospitals that treat their men so well. And they try to plan something for him every day. So he has a group of men that he plays poker with. So he loves peanut butter candy, and so he shares his peanut butter candy with his fellow poker players. They don't play for money. They play for VA coupons. And they have a gift shop in one of the floors, and they can take their VA coupons and go buy something in the shop. So if he has someone for a birthday, then he can buy something for a birthday. Now, he could use money too, but that's just a fun game, just a fun way for him to do it. But his favorite thing is peanut butter candy, and I do try to spoil him a little bit because I dearly love him. And so we're going to be making peanut butter candy. It's so easy, but it's candy. It's candy. So you try to pick a day when it's sunny outside and not rainy and everything, so you want it to get hard, and so you can cut it. Now, I try to use a hard bottom pan that's real thick, because if you don't, it'll scorch. And it's 4 cups of sugar, one whole can of just plain evaporated milk, a bit syrup in there, and 2 sticks of butter. This is the base of your candy. That melted. And while it's cooking, the second half is what you put in. It's 1 jar of marshmallow cream, I've got a little vanilla, a few vanilla chips in here. It was just they were left over from Christmas, so I thought I'd use them. You won't change it anyway, just make it a little bit better, I guess. I hate just to have a little bit of something. And so I do try to use it. What better way to use it than just candy? Sometimes when I try to make him 2 kinds of candy, and when I do make him 2 kinds of candy, he shares it with his poker buddies and keeps the peanut butter, which I understand because he loves peanut butter. Keep my eye on this. And I use about 2 cups of peanut butter, 1.5 cups peanut butter. Let's clean the jar out here. That's when I buy peanut butter for this. I always buy the big jars. And my peanut butter of choice for all these years has always been Jif. I guess I've been making this particular recipe for about 55 years. It came from a Betty Crocker cookbook. I didn't know how to cook anything when I got married. My mother knew it, so she gave all of us a peanut, Betty Carter cookbook when we got married. And of course, we'll have to have a little bit of vanilla. About a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. Okay. Now we can set this aside because we won't use it for about 10 minutes. And we're going to do our stirring. Okay. I do not scrape the sides because if you do, you pull the sugar down, and this way it doesn't ever get sugary. I used to make this for my pastor, and he likes English walnuts in it. But my brother can't eat walnuts, so it's still just as good as that. I put the paper in here because it doesn't. You don't need to if you're going to leave it in here. But after it gets good and hard, I take it out so I can put it in several containers. And it's so much easier if you can just lift it out. And it looks perfect. To me, the best part of making the candy is the hot candy that's left in the bowl after you've taken it all out. Well, that's our candy. It won't be done for a couple of hours. I always put it in the refrigerator, let it get good and cold, so I can lift it out and cut it. I just pull these up, lift them out, and you can cut it so pretty that way. Anyway, this is our peanut butter candy. I hope you'll try it. It is so good. And if you got someone to love that's in the hospital or a nursing home or shut in, this is so good for them because they don't have nuts in it. And who doesn't like peanut butter? That's my theory. Take care of yourself. I wish I could send you a piece of candy. Remember the joy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.